It's probably fair to say the leg day is not your favorite workout of the week. From a performance perspective, your legs get more of a workout from everyday life such as climbing stairs, walking the dog and so on, than any other muscle group in your body, making a leg-specific workout feel a bit redundant. Is this really a workout men need to take on? Yes, without question. Here is why you should care. Some of the most powerful muscles you have reside in your lower half, including your gluteus maximus, the largest muscle in your body. The leaner, the stronger those muscles are, the more calories your body will burn at rest. Plus, stronger leg muscles equal better stabilization, meaning when you perform cardio, core, and even arm exercises, you can do so with greater effectiveness and less risk of injury. Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we have brought to you bodyweight leg workouts you can do at home for huge legs. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing. If you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. If you are finding any of these moves too easy, make them harder by trying them on a single leg. For example, a single leg squat for instance, or adding explosive movement to get more muscle fibers firing, such as in the case of squat jumps. Number 1. Wall sit. It works the glutes and quads. How to perform it? Stand about a foot away from a wall, back facing the wall. Lean back until your entire body touches the wall. Then bend your knees and slide your back down the wall until you are in a sitting position. You want your hips parallel to your knees and knees directly over toes, so adjust your feet forward or backward accordingly. You have to do this. You have to hold this position for 1 to 2 minutes. Number 2. Step-ups. It works your glutes, quads and calves. How to do it? Face a bench. Step up with your feet, with your right foot, follow with your left foot. Step down with the right foot, followed by your left. 10 reps with right foot leading and 10 reps with left foot leading. 3 sets. Complete. Number 3. Bavarian split squats. This exercise works your glutes, quads and hamstrings. Stand about 2 feet away from a bench or a sturdy chair, back facing the bench. Lift your right leg behind you and rest your toes on the bench, right knee softly bent. Bend your left leg, allowing right knee to drop toward the floor. Lower until left quad is parallel to the floor. Do not allow right knee to touch the ground. Then return to standing position. 10 reps on each side and 3 sets total. Number 4. Walking lunge. This exercise works your glutes, quads, hamstrings and calves. Stand at the end of the hallway or long room. Take a step forward with your right leg. Bend the right knee, allowing left knee to drop toward the floor. Straighten and swing your left leg through to the front, shifting your weight forward and landing with a bent left knee. Bend left knee until quad is parallel to the floor, allowing right knee to drop. How many reps? Keep walking for 60 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, go again for 60 seconds. Hold a heavy object in front of you or on either side for an extra challenge. Number 5. Squat jumps. This exercise works your glutes, quads and calves. How to do it? Stand with your feet just wider than hip width, toes slightly pointed out. Bend knees and drop your butt toward the floor until quads are parallel to the ground. Keep your knees over your toes. Press through the balls of your feet, straighten legs and explode up off the ground. Land with soft knees and return to the squat. How many times? 10 reps with 3 sets. Hold the heavy object in front of you for an extra challenge. Number 6. Hip bridge. This exercise works your glutes and hamstrings. In order to do it, lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat, arms by your sides. Exhale and raise your hips off the floor, keeping your shoulder blades pressed into the ground. Squeeze your glutes and lift your pelvis as high as you can. Hold for 5 counts and then release. Continue for 60 seconds and relax for 30 seconds. Do 60 seconds more. Number 7. Single leg deadlifts. This exercise works your core, hamstrings and quads. In order to do it, hold a dumbbell or water jug in your right hand, stand with your feet together. Keeping your left knee soft, raise your right leg behind you as you hinge forward with your body, lowering your right hand toward the floor. Aim to create a flat parallel plane to the floor with your right leg and torso. Return to the standing position. 10 reps on each side and 3 sets in total. Number 8. Pistol squats. This exercise works your quads and hamstrings. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Lift your right leg straight in front of you as you bend your left knee and lower your hips towards the floor. Lower as far as you can while maintaining good form. Return to the standing position. Note that if air squatting is too challenging, you can also place a chair behind you and squat until you are sitting on the chair. 10 reps on each side and 2 sets in total. Number 9. Single leg calf raises. It works your hamstrings. Stand with your feet together facing the high back of a chair or a wall. Place your hands on the chair or wall for support. Shift your weight to your right side. Lift your left foot slightly off the floor behind you and rise up onto the toes of your right foot. Release your right heel back to the floor, then rise onto right toes again. 30 seconds on each side and 2 sets total. Number 10. Squat jump twists. This exercise works your glutes, quads, hamstrings, calves and core. To do it, stand with your feet just wider than hip width, toes slightly pointed out. Bend knees and drop your butt toward the floor until quads are parallel to the ground. Keep knees over toes. Press through the balls of your feet, straighten legs and explode up off the ground, twisting your body in the air so that you complete a half turn to the right before landing. Land with soft knees and return to the squat. On your next squat jump, twist in the opposite direction. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. 10 bodyweight leg workouts you could do at home for huge legs. Which one is your favorite and why? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can apply in your life from time to time. If you like our content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.